The funnel has a cracked off rim at its opening. The tube was formed by pulling out after a bubble was blown. A single gather of glass is made on a small blowpipe. The gather is given a nice egg shape with the block. This is cherry wood soaked in water. An initial bubble is blown. The bubble is reheated, the blow hose is attached, and this is in place of an assistant. It allows me to blow while I'm working on the glass with a tool. The blowpipe is held down, the bubble blown larger. And then a constriction is made near the blowpipe. The jack's held at an angle. A new constriction is formed. The part near the blowpipe will become the long, narrow tube, and the bulbous part will become the upper part of the funnel. A slightly narrow constriction is made near the blowpipe so that it can be broken later in the process. And after reheating, the blowpipe is held down to further elongate the narrow tube. The sides are made cylindrical, the sides are cooled, and then the bottom is forcefully flattened, and this creates a bulge. This is broken free of the blowpipe and annealed, or cooled slowly to room temperature. At the conclusion of the annealing process, the cracking off takes place. Here, a cone made of hot glass is used to both scratch the edge where the rim is intended, and it's used to deliver the heat. The glass cone is about 1100 degrees. So the scratching takes place as the heating takes place at precisely the right spot. The edge is extremely sharp and is immediately smoothed with a piece of sandstone. The excess glass, the cracked off portion, is recycled. This process is fast and almost infallible. Sometimes things go wrong with cracking off. Here was an experiment trying to use cracking off in the more modern way of applying the heat with a torch. The hot cone system almost never fails.